Okay, how are you? I'm Geller. This Otávio here. This make with me this Restructuring Musculoskeletal Functional. This Otávio, you do today this more one training this for your knee. You told the things with this training now, please.
I think since I've started doing the neuro stimulation with Geller from the very beginning, it's been constant learning and seeing how my body adapts and just teaching myself again how to do the basic things, but with a lot more tension into it. I think we don't realize that we just think that walking and doing exercise is so basic that we all know how to do it, but when you do it with a neuro stimulation, it's completely different. And I use it not just on my daily life now, but on my workouts and everything that I do in life, is just to really send the signals to my brain to really put, you know, the neurostimulation before I even do the exercise. And then I feel a lot more tired right straight after doing the exercise, but within 5 seconds after that I feel much better already and I feel much lighter. So when I'm walking and when I'm doing any other things during my day-to-day life, I don't feel tired anymore after workout. I feel during the workout, but then as soon as I finish the workout I feel a lot more light and I feel like I can actually do things a lot better. It's just straight after. So the neurostimulation is completely different to what you normally do on your day-to-day life, and I think it increases so much and it can give you such a boost in everything you do on your daily life as well, for sure.
Yeah, but this physical therapy and the physical exercise together, the Restructuring Musculoskeletal Functional and the Preceding neurostimulation. And the thing is new for you because before here you train in the gym.
Yeah.
This really. But after I presented to you this my technical, the Restructuring Musculoskeletal Functional and the Preceding neurostimulation, because this precedent is before your normal contraction.
Exercise.
It's different for you?
There's much difference. Like you said, it's before you actually put in the regular exercise that you would do, you're actually sending the signal for, you know, for the neurostimulation, for actually to do that and to really maximize it. And like you said, when, you know, the first 8 seconds there, it's really where you keep that maximum stimulation, you know, for the brain really sending that signal for your body to actually move accordingly to that. There's a massive difference, especially with exercises. Like I said, anything that you do on a day-to-day life is a huge difference.
And the other day, after this your work with me here, are you more stronger? Are you more easy for living, for your job?
I feel a lot more lighter when I'm doing anything after a workout in here, because my body just feels a lot more lighter. It feels a lot more natural, which is what the aim is, to make sure that our body really remembers how to do those things naturally, rather than doing something here and not doing the same on a day-to-day life. It's mainly putting this on my day-to-day life, for sure.
After this, I told you I presented you for Word, for all people, this technical for one ebook. I started formulation this a long time, but this step by step, this finish now. After, this is good for you because the people now, this possible the first presentation, this technical, this apply in Otávio and the other client, the results is very, very good. I make end for me before the study neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, neuroscience for make this. And I told you with Otávio, it's important this move for technical for your life. But in your routine, you take one thing this more stronger, more heavy, this before here, you make the stimulus precedent this muscle you use, after you take the things.
It makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, but you protect your lumbar spine, thoracic spine and the other joints. You understand this?
Bringing back to naturally, you know, our body's not supposed to be just, there's a way to do everything, and I think sometimes we forget that natural way of doing things and sending the stimulation first before we actually lift things. So it does help quite a lot in the day-to-day life, for sure.
Thank you for your presentation, Otávio.
Thank you.
Bye.